friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. Let's learn about sets in Tableau today. We learned about groups in our last video. If you haven't watched, please check the link in the description below. So groups and sets are quite similar in Tableau. Let's learn how to create sets and how to use them. So let's use our item dimension to create the set. You can create a set either by clicking this drop down arrow or by right clicking the dimension and using this create option. So this new pop-up window is quite similar to our filter window. I already created one sheet with representative and their sum of cells. Let's say you want to analyze how much each representative done a sell on pen related items out of the total. So let's create an item set for pen related items, which includes pen set and a pencil. Let's give it a name as pen. Click OK. As soon as we created a pen set, this new dimension is created here with these two small circles overlapping each other. So this is nothing but a new pen set we have created. Now let's try to analyze the pen related item cells done by each representative. Drag and drop this into the columns. It will create in and out two different columns. In means whatever maybe we have selected in the pen set. So for Alex, in shows 15k and out shows 17k. So out of total cell, Alex has done 15k cell on pen related items, which includes pen set and a pencil. Rest 70 is on the different items. So this is how we can create a set, simple set. But there are two different ways which we can use to create the set. So if you observe, condition and top. Condition is used to create the condition based set and top is used for the top analysis. So let's see the example of condition based set. So this is general tab. I already created a condition tab and we have item and their respective cells done. Now let's say if you want to find how many items have done more than 80k cell. Our data is very small, we have only 5 rows, that's why this example doesn't fit here, but just to show how to do this condition based set, I'll explain you. Use this create option again, set, click on condition tab, by field, cell, sum of cell, it's already selected so it's good, is greater than 80,000 and let's give it some meaningful name, 80k greater. Click OK. Now use this 80k set into the columns. So it is showing us binder which is greater than 80k, pen set which is greater than 80k again, and same is for pencil. Desk and pen are out of this group because it is less than 80k, 64k and 70k, 78k. So this is how we can create condition based set. Now let's check the next example where we will be creating top and analysis. So let's see which are all the three items, top three items done by cell. Do it same way, right click item, create set. Top. By field you can use bottom or top. Let's use top option. We do not have much data, so let's use 3. Top 3 by cell amount, sum of cell. Or you can write a formula as well, your own custom formula you can write, but let's use our top 3 cell, sum of cell, and click OK. So I forgot to change the name, but it's fine. Item set. Let's put it here. These are the top 3. Next you can sort and use them in your visualizations and all, and you can just exclude these. You can do anything with these things. So this is how we can do top and analysis as well using the sets in Tableau. So we can use sets either by creating a general using the general tab, or condition, which we can call it as a condition based sets, and top using the top sheet, top option to do some top analysis. That's it from this tutorial, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel and let us know your feedback in comments. Keep analyzing the data, exploring Tableau until we meet next time. Thank you.